Welcome back to Gear Up Windows channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to fix this one error. As you can see on my screen, Task Manager has been disabled by your administrator on Windows 11. So, for this procedure, I will use two methods. First one is Registry Editor method, and next one is Local Group Policy Editor. So, if you are using Windows 11 Home, then I will leave a link. You need to enable local group policy on your Windows 11, and after that you can use either group policy method or registry editor method. So let me start. First, I will guide you with registry editor method. So click on this one, a start button, and here type registry, then click on registry editor app, click yes if prompted, and here you need to navigate to this one link. I will paste in this video description also, so you need to copy and paste here. After that, press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to system key directly. After that, you will see on the right side there is a disable TSK MGR, disable task manager dword. You will find here. You need to right click on this one and select delete, and click on this one yes button. If you want to remove it, then if you will remove it, your task manager will start working. If you don't want to remove it, just double click on this one and set its value to 0. You need to change value 1 from 0. After that, click on this one OK button, and then close the registry editor and open task manager using any method, and it should hopefully fix the issue. And if it does not fix the issue, you need to restart your PC once. Next one method is local group policy editor. For that, click on this one start button, and here type gpedit.msc or local group policy editor or group policy editor. You can type here, and after that you will find gpedit.msc or group policy. Click on this one link. Then navigate to user configuration, and then administrative templates. Double click on this one to expand it. Then click on this one system. Then you will find here control plus delete plus del options folder. On the right side you will find several settings. You need to double click on this one, remove task manager, and here you need to select disabled option in order to enable task manager again on your PC. And after that, click on this one apply button, click on the OK button, and reboot once your Windows 11 machine, and hopefully this will fix the issue that is related to task manager. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. See you in the next video.